Chicken tikka masala is a dish of chunks of roasted marinated chicken in a spiced curry. The curry is usually creamy and orange colored. Chicken tikka masala is composed of chicken tikka, boneless chunks of chicken marinated in spices and yogurt that are roasted in an oven, served in a creamy curry sauce. A tomato and coriander sauce is common, but no recipe for chicken tikka masala is standard. A survey found that of 48 different recipes, the only common ingredient was chicken. The sauce usually includes tomatoes, frequently as puree, cream, coconut cream and a masala spice mix. The sauce and chicken pieces may be colored orange using foodstuffs such as turmeric, paprika, tomato puree or with food dye. The dish shares some similarity with butter chicken, both in the method of creation and appearance. The origin of the dish is not certain. Some trace it to the South Asian community in Britain and others claim that it originated in the Indian subcontinent. Chicken tikka masala is more likely derived from butter chicken, a popular dish in northern India. Some observers have called chicken tikka masala the first widely accepted example of fusion cuisine. Whatever the various claims, the Moti Mahal can be seen as the true origins of CTM in its basic form of butter chicken. Lal Kundan Lal Gujral first set up in Peshawar in 1920 but came to Delhi in 1947 to set up Moti Mahal. He worked with a local man to produce the first restaurant version of the tandoor and invented tandoori spice mix for tandoori chicken: ground coriander seeds, black pepper and mild red pepper. Called Murg Makhani in Hindi, butter chicken originated in the 1950s at the Moti Mahal restaurant in Old Delhi. Chicken tikka masala is served in restaurants around the world, including Indian restaurants in Britain and North America. According to a 2012 survey of 2,000 people in Britain, it was the country's second most popular foreign dish to cook, after Chinese stir-fry.